So just got here a few hours ago. I was on waffle duty. So we just finished having our brunch. It's gorgeous here today. It's around 23. The sun is out. It's just gorgeous. And so are the bugs. Not so gorgeous. So very pleased to see that the hostas are coming in. So really excited. There's just been a huge boost in growth with the flowers since I was here last. That's kind of weird. Looks like something was gnawing on that tree over there on the trunk. They may have, I wonder if it was a beaver, because they may have taken part of it. Looks like it. We're going to be working on the playhouse today. We're going to put up, Joe's going to be cutting the rungs for the fence, for the railing I should say. And hopefully it'll get done today. And then I have to put up the trim. Might even do this weekend if I have time. Depends whether or not I go down tomorrow. Just beautiful. So I've done some planting while Joe and Elizabeth were cutting the rods. Look at that little fence over there. So I had some pink sedum or stone crop at home, so I brought them in and planted them there and took the ones from there and put them by the big stone over by the beach, and I put more pink ones there. And look at the hostas, just beautiful. It's very windy today. So I also brought these steps that I had at home. I think I like that there. With the river rock and the pea gravel, I think it'll look really cute. So Elizabeth is going to cut the stumps here, or the root here and there, so that either tomorrow or then next week I can work on that. I kind of like this line, but I just want to just tweak it so that it's pristine. And those rocks, stones over here will drop down. And I do have the Stelladoros there. That's going to give me, that can actually give me about 10 clumps. But I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll cut it into 5 stumps so that we get some nice flowers this year. So we've been working over here. And we got a little table up for the kitties there. And we have this railing up. So really excited about that. It's taking shape. So we're ready to go. Elizabeth now is very comfortable with her bug net hat. In fact, Elizabeth had on 2 hats instead of one.
It was 1 hat.
It was 2 hats that were stuck together, and she didn't know that. So she was saying it was a little uncomfortable, and I'm thinking, you think?
it's coming for right now.
It is much, much darker than it looks.
You guys, you know how to...
It looks like the middle of the day. It's actually almost the middle of the night.
Good morning. Oh my goodness, it dumped last night, so everything is just wet. So I started weeding a little bit over here. This is, yeah, it's a little disturbing. The good thing is that the plants that are supposed to be there are there. So I think with these, they just got nice soil and everything was cleared for them, so they're coming in with a vengeance. I'm going to have to do this. Maybe I'll do some today. It depends what time I decide to leave. Or then next week, I'm going to try to come up earlier to get rid of that. But I just want to show you what we did here yesterday. Mind you, it's all wet. Oh, we forgot that there. A couple of things. So here you go. Oh my goodness. I am so pleased with the outcome. Really looks good. Kids have their little patio table there that they can bring out here too if they want to eat over there. We've got this. This is what we were working on last night in the dark. So, yeah. We just have to do the braces now for it down here. I'm thinking maybe we'll put something underneath, like a patio stone or something, so that it's stable. I don't want it to be moving. And then we'll put out the slats that I left over there and are all wet now. So really pleased with the outcome here. Really, really pleased. It looks so cute. And the kids love these handles here. We may end up putting something over here to support, because Eva's little legs, she still manages to get up, but it's a little tight for her. So I'm really happy with how this all turned out. Well, I'm so glad that I had the help, because it really took a long time to put all of this together. And look how cute that looks from here. Let's see. Start here. So cute. So the kids are really anxious to get that rock climbing thing up. I can just see them climbing underneath to try to get to, like, under the rock climbing. Yeah, they're little monkeys. And here it is from up here. Love it. Love it. I'm gonna go in to have our breakfast. We're having bacon with roasty and eggs and fruit, of course.